Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get Figma Pro without spending the money. Yes, it's completely legal and absolutely free. Now, let's get started. Go to the Google and search Figma Education and hit the enter. The first link that appears is what you need, so click on it. Next, click on the Get Verify button. This will take to a new login option. Click on it. Now the next method is fill everything out and hit the submit button, and the method is shown in the video, so watch carefully. In the school name, type school not listed and in the school name type National Institute of Design, and for the link search on Google, click on the first link and copy and paste the link to the website. For the PDF file, go to the Google and search National Institute of Design and UI UX and click on the first link, and you will see a syllabus. So download it and choose the file. For the URL of the course, again go to the Google and search NID Interaction Design and click on the first link, and here you see a interaction design. Click on it and copy the link and again paste it to the Figma website and enter the expected graduation date as 2024 or as you like, and click on as agree and go to Figma. So at the left side you see that edu is written, and according to the Google account your team name is generated, and also you can add more people to the team and you can create a project file more than one and enjoy the free Figma. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question please drop a comment. Thanks for watching.